Welcome to the King Abdulaziz University Scholarship 2025. If you are an ambitious student looking for a life changing opportunity to study at one of the world's most prestigious universities, then you are in the right place. Stay with me and I will walk you through everything you need to know. Imagine pursuing your graduate, master's, or PhD degree without worrying about tuition fees, accommodation, or even your travel expenses. Sounds amazing, right? Well, this scholarship makes that dream a reality. King Abdulaziz University in Saudi Arabia is offering fully funded scholarship to international students. If you are ready to take your academic journey to the next level, let's dive right in. Before go any further, let's make sure your eligibility. If you are a female student, you must be accompanied by a relative within the prohibited degrees who is a regular resident in Saudi Arabia. Secondly, you must meet the admission requirements for the program you are applying to. Let's move forward to the specific requirements for master's and PhD applicant. If you are aiming for a master degree, you must be 30 years old or younger. If you are applying for a PhD degree, the age limit is 35 years. Your qualifications must be recognized in your home country and you should have an excellent academic record, at least a very good grade if classified in an estimate. You also need an English language test certificate, two recommendation letters from previous professor, and you must not have been dismissed from any Saudi institution. For programs like Arabic language, Islamic law, psychology, sociology, and information sciences, you must be fluent in spoken and written Arabic. So, if you meet these criteria, congratulations, you are one step closer to securing this incredible scholarship. The application process is super simple, just follow these steps. Create an account on the official university website. Register for the program that matches your qualification. Submit your application online with all the required documents. Easy, right? But wait, you will need to prepare some essential documents first. Make sure you have all these documents ready before you apply. CV, your academic and professional background, statement of purpose. If you are applying for a non Arabic program, write it in English. Certified copies of your degree certificates and transcript from the Saudi embassy. Two recommendation letters from your previous professors. A valid passport copy with at least 1 year of validity. Recent photographs and your language proficiency certificate. Missing anything? Double check before submitting. The university will verify your documents and assess your eligibility based on merit. If selected, you might need to go through an additional screening process. But don't worry, if you are a top performing student, you will have an edge. Now let's talk about amazing perks of this scholarship. Full tuition fee coverage. Yes, you heard that right. Free accommodation and healthcare. Free accommodation and healthcare. Annual airfare tickets. Travel home once a year at no cost. Research support and conference funding. Perfect for aspiring academics. And if you are interested in research, you may even work on university projects. This scholarship is more than just financial aid, it's an opportunity for growth. Keep in mind, this scholarship is renewable every year, but only if you maintain a good academic standing. Medical insurance is also provided because your health matters. But be aware, violating university rules could result in termination of the scholarship. So stay disciplined. This scholarship is a privilege, and with that comes a responsibility. You must maintain academic excellence, follow the university rules and code of conduct, participate in cultural and academic programs. It's an incredible opportunity, but you have to earn it every step of the way. Wondering what life on campus is like? King Abdulaziz University boasts state of the art facilities. You will have access to world class research centers and libraries. There are sports complex, recreational centers, and students club to keep you engaged. It's more than just a degree, it's an experience. What happens after you graduate? You will join a prestigious alumni network. If you are excelling, you might even get a chance to pursue a PhD. And don't forget, Saudi Arabia has great career opportunities for talented graduates. Need more details? Visit the official scholarship website for application deadlines. Contact the university's help desk if you have any questions. Follow their social media pages for update. Don't miss out. Apply now and take your future to the next level. Thank you so much for your time. If you have any question, this is your chance to ask. Remember, This fully funded scholarship is a golden opportunity to study at one of the best universities in the world. So, what are you waiting for? Start your application today and make your dreams a reality.